This is a customized, fully automatic wire harness crimping and connector housing insertion machine with wire twisting capabilities. After cutting, stripping, and crimping the wires, it inserts the wire harness into the connector housing and then twists every 2 wires together to complete the final assembly process of the entire wire harness. One such fully automatic machine can replace 4 semi-automatic machines of equivalent efficiency and save at least 4 workers. The machine is equipped with a crimping pressure detection device, CFM monitor, and CCD image inspection system for double-checking crimp quality. It automatically rejects defective wire harnesses in real time and includes insertion plus pull force detection at the insertion station to ensure the quality of each pin's insertion. Thanks for watching my video. We specialize in providing customized wire harness processing equipment. If you have any other requirements or would like to see other videos, please leave a comment in the section.